morning, children. Today I will start the ionic product of water. Okay, highly purified water possesses a small but definite conductivity. Highly purified water. Highly purified water possesses small but definite conductivity. Definite conductivity. This conductivity of the solution, this conductivity of water occurs due to the autoprotolysis of water molecule. This conductivity of water occurs due to the autoprotolysis of water molecule. What is meant by auto? Self-ionization of water. Two water molecules are reacted to get the product, that is the autoprotolysis. For example, in H2O molecules, it reacts with H2O in reversible reaction. This is the autoprotolysis to get the H3O plus OH minus ion. This is the hydronium ion. This is the hydroxyl ion. This is the water aqueous. Simply manner to get the H2O aqueous in reversible reaction. H plus OH minus aqueous. This is aqueous. This is also aqueous. According to apply the law of mass action. Apply the law of mass action. K is equal to what you can write, the ratio of products to the ratio of concentration of reactant, that is called as the equilibrium constant. We have to write it H plus concentration OH minus concentration upon H2O. But KH2O, this is the H2O, meaning this in pure water is equal to H plus concentration OH minus concentration. These H2O in pure water are dilute solutions. H2O is, this water is undissociated. That's why H2O is taken as a constant. You can write that Kw is equal to H plus concentration and OH minus concentration. Ionic product of water is defined as the product of concentration of H plus and the product of concentration of OH minus is called as ionic product of water. Ionic product Kw is equal to what? Already given. Highly purified water possesses small but definite conductivity. This conductivity of water occurs due to the autoprotolysis. Autoprotolysis means two water molecules are reacted to get the hydronium ion and OH. Then simply manner have to write it H2O aqueous in reversible reaction H plus OH minus ion. Applying the law of mass action, K is equal to H plus concentration OH minus concentration upon H2O concentration. We have to write it in pure water or dilute solution. H2O is undissociated. H2O is taken as a constant, you can write our Kw is equal to H plus OH minus concentration. Then ionic product of water means ionic product of water is the product of concentration of H plus ions, and OH minus ions in pure water. Ionic product of water is the product of concentration of H plus ions and OH minus ions in pure water is called as ionic product of water. Okay, in ionic product of water, the temperature is increases. And degree of dissociation also increases. Ionic product of water also increases. In temperature increases. And temperature increases means degree of dissociation increases. Also ionic product of water also increases. For example, Kw for 25 degrees Celsius, the ionic product of water Kw is equal to, we can write the 1 into 10 power minus 14 mole per liter. We can write 20 degrees Celsius Kw is equal to 0.68 into 10 power minus 14 mole per liter. Suppose at 30 degrees Celsius, that means Kw is equal to 1.47 into 10 power minus 14 mole per liter. Temperature is increases. The degree of dissociation also increases. That meaning H plus and OH minus also increases. The ionic product of water also increases. At 25 degrees Celsius, in pure water, that meaning H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration. H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration. Already you know that H2O in reversible reaction, H plus concentration, OH minus concentration. This is aqueous, this is also aqueous. You can write the Kw is equal to H plus concentration, OH minus concentration. You can write the H plus is equal to OH minus concentration. You can write the H plus concentration and another time you have to repeat H plus concentration, because the reason is H plus is equal to OH minus concentration, that is equal to H plus whole square. That means Kw is equal to H plus is equal to, that is equal to H plus is equal to Kw, H plus concentration is equal to root Kw. Already you know that ionic product of water at 25 degrees Celsius, 1 into 10 power minus 40. That's why you have to write it 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole per liter. And another one is You can write already you know that Kw is equal to H plus OH minus concentration, and that is equal to H plus and H plus square. H plus square is equal to Kw. Another time you have to take the Kw is equal to H plus OH minus concentration. Already you know that H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration. OH minus concentration. OH minus concentration, because the reason is H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration. We can write the OH minus concentration power 2. OH minus concentration power 2 is equal to Kw. That means Kw is equal to OH minus concentration is equal to root Kw. Root Kw means 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole per liter. Mole per liter. Mole per liter and mole per liter you can get. Okay, OH minus is equal to root Kw. That meaning 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole per liter. Listen, in H plus concentration greater than H plus concentration greater than 10 power minus 7, this then solution will be acidic. Then solution will be acidic. And H plus concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7. Then solution will be neutral. Then solution will be neutral. Suppose H plus concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7. Then solution will be 10 H plus concentration less than 10 power minus 7. Then solution will be basic. And next, OH minus concentration greater than 10 power minus 7, solution will be basic. And OH minus concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7, solution will be neutral. OH minus concentration is equal to, that means less than 10 power minus 7, solution will be acidic. This is the concept for ionic product of water. Ionic product of water defined as the product of concentration of H plus and OH minus ion in solution or pure water, that is called as ionic product of water. This is the whole concept for ionic product of water. Okay, next to go for ionic product of water is completed. Next to go for pH scale. What is meant by pH? Listen carefully. In pH, the negative logarithm of the activity of hydrogen ions, hydrogen H plus ions in a solution. Negative logarithm of activity of hydrogen ions in a solution is called as pH. What do you mean by activity? Activity is equal to A is equal to gamma into C by C naught. Gamma means activity coefficient. C naught means standard condition in concentration. C also concentration. In activities, two different solutions, that means dilute solutions and activity solutions, that is dilute solutions and concentrated solutions. Concentrated two solutions. In activity of coefficient, gamma is equal to, this is the 1, and concentrated solution gamma not equal to 1. Okay, in activity is equal to gamma into, in concentration is equal to less than 1m. 1m concentration solution is called as dilute solution. Concentration greater than 1m solution is called as concentrated solution. The activity is gamma C by C naught, that is equal to A is equal to, in dilute solutions, gamma into 1, C by C naught means already you know that 1m concentration. A is AH plus concentration is equal to, we can write concentration in terms of hydrogen ions. AH plus means that is equal to H plus ion. That means already you know that negative logarithm of activity of hydrogen ions in a solution is called as pH. We have only in the chapter discussed only dilute solution. That's why A is pH is equal to what you can write, pH is equal to minus log concentration of AH plus, that means the pH is equal to, you can write the negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion. This is called as what? pH. pH is equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions is called as pH. You can write the pH is equal to minus log 1 by log H plus concentration, 1 by log H plus concentration. Okay, this is the pH. pH is equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion is called as pH. The activity in two different solutions, different is there activity. Concentration, dilute solutions, concentration less than 1m, concentrated solution greater than 1m, gamma is equal to 1, gamma not equal to 1, A is equal to concentration in terms of hydrogen plus ions, that's why that is equal to AH plus is equal to, activity is denoted that is equal to H plus concentration. You can write that pH is equal to negative logarithm of AH plus concentration, activity of hydrogen ions. Only in activity of hydrogen constant, that means dilute solutions, not constant. Only in the chapter only discuss that dilute solutions. That's why pH is equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions is called as pH. Okay, what is meant by pOH? What is meant by pOH? Listen, in pOH also the negative logarithm of pOH is equal to negative logarithm of pOH. pOH means negative logarithm of negative logarithm of hydroxyl ions. Negative logarithm of hydroxyl ions is called as pOH. You can write the pOH is equal to minus log OH minus concentration. pOH is equal to what? You can write the pOH is equal to log 1 by OH minus concentration. This also represented as the negative logarithm of OH minus concentration is called as hydroxyl ions. That means it's called as pOH. In the pH scale, how to into the solutions will be classified and according to pH. The solutions are classified as three types. One is acidic, another one is basic, another one is neutral solution. You can write the pH scale. And listen, in pH scale, these solutions are 0 to pH scale. pH scale varies. pH scale varies 0 to 14. The solutions are classified The solutions are classified acidic, basic, neutral. Acidic, basic, neutral. Listen carefully. 0 to 16. 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These all these scales. These 6, 0 to 6 means stronger, that means acidic solutions, and 7 only neutral solution. 8 to 14 basic solutions. Already given the data in pH scales. We are in 0 to pH. That means we have to write it less than, that means pH less than 7 means what? Then solution will be pH is less than 7, pOH is greater than 7. Then solution will be acidic. Then solution will be acidic. pH is greater than 7, pOH is less than 7, pOH is less than 7, then solution will be basic. Then solution will be basic. pH is equal to 7, pOH also 7, then solution will be neutral. Then solution will be neutral. This other pH scale varies 0 to 14. The solutions are classified in acidic and basic. This is the 1 to the 0 to 6 means 0 to 1 means strong acidic, and basic also can write 13 to 14 means strong base. pH is less than 7, pOH is greater than 7, then solution will be acidic. pH is greater than 7, pOH is less than 7, then solution will be basic. pH is equal to 7, pOH is equal to 7, the solution will be neutral. Okay, this is the concept for pH. The relationship between pH and pH and pOH. Already you know that H3O plus concentration and OH minus concentration is equal to already KW. KW means what? You can write the P into pOH means what? You can write the pH plus pOH is equal to pKW 1 into 10 power minus 14. There you can write the taking logarithm on both sides. Logarithms on both sides. Listen carefully. Log and taken logarithm and negative minus log H3O plus minus log OH minus is equal to minus log 10 power minus 14. You can write the minus log H3O plus concentration is equal to pH minus log and negative logarithm of OH and pOH minus into minus, that means pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Relationship between pH and pOH. H3O plus concentration, OH minus concentration is equal to KW. KW means what? You can write the 1 into 10 power minus 14. Taking logarithms and negative on both sides, Can write the minus log H3O plus concentration minus log OH minus concentration is equal to minus log 10 power minus 14. Negative logarithm of concentration H plus is called as pH. Negative logarithm of OH minus concentration is called as POH. That is equal to 14. pH plus POH is equal to 14. Relationship between pH and POH. Relationship between pKa and pKb. If Ka and Kb is dissociation constant of weak acid and weak base respectively. Okay, you can write pKa, you can write what? pKa is equal to minus log Ka, pKb is equal to minus log Kb. Okay, you can write the weak acid. HA is reversible reaction. H plus A minus concentration. You can write the Ka is equal to H plus concentration A minus concentration upon HA. And you can write the weak base A minus plus H2O in reversible reaction. HA plus OH minus ion. You can write the Kb base dissociation constant, HA concentration, OH minus concentration upon A minus concentration. Listen, this is the Ka and Kb. That means multiplying on Ka and Kb. Okay, write it Ka into Kb is equal to Kw. We can write the Ka into Ka means what? Ka is equal to H plus concentration, H plus A minus concentration upon HA into HA concentration OH minus concentration upon A minus concentration is equal to Ka into Kb. To write it, HA get cancelled, A minus, that is equal to Ka into Kb is equal to H plus OH minus concentration. Ka into Kb, multiplying in Ka into Kb, that is equal to Ka into Kb is equal to H plus, that is Kw, logarithm, take logarithm and negative sign, both side minus log Ka minus log Ka is equal to minus log Kw. That is equal to pKa, negative logarithm of pKa plus pKb is equal to pKw. This is the relation between pKa and pKb. If Ka and Kb is dissociation constant of weak acid and weak base respectively, pKa means minus log Ka, pKb means minus log Kb. For example, weak acid is equal to HA, reversible reaction, H plus and A minus. Ka is equal to H plus concentration, A minus concentration by HA, weak base. A minus plus H2O, HA plus OH minus ion, Kb is equal to HA concentration, OH minus concentration upon A minus concentration. Multiplying on Ka and Kb, Ka can write the acid dissociation constant, you can write the base dissociation constant. That meaning Ka into Kb is equal to H plus OH minus. Already you know that H plus and OH minus is equal to Kw. Take logarithms and the negative sign in both sides. Minus log Ka minus log Kb minus log Kb is equal to minus log Kw. Pka plus Pkb is equal to Pkw.